Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a decision made by others or someone that you disagreed with. Someone made a decision, your parents or anyone, right? And you disagreed with that decision. You should say what the decision was, past tense. Second, how was it made? How the decision was made, right? Third, why you disagreed with that decision. And finally, and explain why you disagreed with it. What you disagreed with and why you disagreed with, right? Yes. So you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Your time starts now.
Well, to see growth in our life, you should take decisions that is very prudent, and whenever you make decisions, some decisions are very right that some decisions can make life, and some decisions lead your life into the problems. When I would like to discuss the decision that was made by my elder brother when I was in matriculation. He made a decision about my career. After the matric level, I would like to go to college for the studies. Well, I have a keen interest in mathematics subjects, and my brother, being a doctor, he brought a form of college and fill up all the formalities in the medical field. That was I disagree with that decision. He does not convince me. He did not convince me that you have to take your career into the medical field. Well, I am not well prepared at that time to start that career, and the decision was made when I was not at my home, in my absence, and my brother convinced my parents also, and submitted the form in the college premises.
Okay. All right. Overall, it's good. You spoke for 1 minute and 50 seconds, which is fine. I found some grammatical mistakes, especially you are using present in the past. Your topic was in the past tense, and you are using present sentences like fill up and I am, so these type of things. So try to avoid present. When you talk about past, you use second form of the verb mainly. Was, were, did, second form. So just focus that. Otherwise, you spoke well. 1 minute 51 seconds. Now let's move on to speaking part 3. What skills are necessary when making decisions?
I think there is no other skills required for the decision making. For that, you have to make many decisions in your life, so that you can be well aware of making decisions in your life. I think this is the skill that you have.
Okay. How can people improve their decision making skills?
People can improve decision making skills by making decisions more and more, so that they can experience very well. I think they can improve skills of decision, just like
okay.
that.
How do you think computers will change the way people make decisions?
I think whenever a person in a situation that he has to make a decision, he put his ideas on the computer dilemmas, and found very videos and all that to cope up with that, to make a decision.
Okay, all right. Overall, it's fine. Just focus your grammatical range and accuracy, because you've got certain grammar problems, especially the use of tenses. You need to focus that. At present, I'll give you 6 band, but if you improve those grammatical mistakes, you can achieve 6.5 as well. Right? Okay, inshallah. Thank you.
Thank you.